Hello guys, Mahitex here, back with another tutorial on Windows 10 tips. And after the anniversary update, if you have noticed, in the Windows plus X shortcut menu, the command prompt has been replaced with PowerShell. Now intendedly I have replaced command prompt with the PowerShell, but let me show you the simple way to replace the PowerShell with command prompt. You have to just right click on the taskbar, go ahead into taskbar settings, and from here you will be having a replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click. So just turn it on, so that I will be having Windows PowerShell in the menu. Most probably I don't like Windows PowerShell in my menu, so most probably I will be keeping it off. So now I will be having command prompt and then command prompt admin from here. It is a neat little trick. And the another thing is that even when you change here for command prompts, even when you just go ahead into some Explorer and then from there hold down the shift button, and if I press right click, it doesn't show open command window here, it is showing open PowerShell window here. So I don't like the PowerShell window, so I would like to bring in command prompt. So just launch your regedit, registry editor, and from there I will show you from the beginning. Launch from HKey classes root. From there select a word called as directory. Let me type it, directory. So you will be finding a key called as directory, and inside the directory there will be background, and from the background you will be having a shell, and from the shell you will be having a command prompt option. So to enable the command prompt, what you just have to do is that you just have to delete this key, which is called as hide based on velocity ID. You just have to delete this key. So before deleting it, you won't be having any permission to delete. I'll just demonstrate it. So it is not allowing you to delete. So to overcome this, you have to take the ownership. So to take the ownership, right click on that CMD and then go ahead and select permissions. From the permissions you just click on advanced, and from the owner trusted installer you just change it to your username. So I will be using my Outlook account. Administrators. So I am just replacing the owners as administrator and then applying it, and then now selecting the administrators and then allowing them to have full control over this. And now I am going to delete that key. So I have successfully deleted that key. In order for me to now just we'll have a look at just now we'll delete the PowerShell context menu. In order to do that, we have to create a word. So before creating a word from here, we just have to take a ownership. So again the same steps we have to follow. We just have to change the ownership of this key. So replacing the existing owner with administrators and then allowing administrators to have the full privilege. So now I am going to create a new D word 32-bit, and I am going to call the word as, I will leave this in the descriptions. You have to call this as hide based on velocity ID. You just rename the key and then put in the value 0x06396B8 in there. So in order to put the value, you just double click on here and then paste the value inside it. Sorry, just use 639B68 since it will be automatically converting into hex. So that's it from here in the registry. Now we have to just close out of this registry. We'll exit out of there, and then now what we'll do is we'll launch up Task Manager, and then we check for Windows Explorer right here. We check for Windows Explorer here and then we'll restart the process. Once we got it restarted, we'll just go ahead and then test out our new configuration. Now see, I can get a command prompt directly wherever I need. For example, if I need to in the WordPress means, I can just simply hold down shift and then select right click button and then open command window directly from here. And it was nice to help you guys with this small tips and tricks. Keep subscribed to my channel Mahi Techs. Have a great day. Thank you.